Sounds like a job for AC by Luquire.
Hi, I'm Conrad Mistledown with Air Conditioning by Luquire. And yes, we're open and we're available to take care of your plumbing, heating, and air conditioning needs. We may look a little different when we show up this time. I've asked one of our technicians, Roy, to model for us today. You'll notice that when our people come to your house, like Roy, they're wearing Luquire clothes so that you know who's at your house. They'll arrive in a Luquire van and be wearing a Luquire shirt. You'll also notice our guys will be wearing gloves and masks according to CDC guidelines. We ask you to work with us during this time. We ask you to let us know if anybody in your house has been sick or suffered from this illness, and rest assured that we won't send anyone to your house that's had this illness or come in contact with somebody who has this illness or showing any symptoms of this illness. If we work together during these trying times, I know that we'll get through them. I thank you for your support in these times.
Sounds like a job for AC